Light connects people, spaces, and emotions. At Winway Lighting, we create more than illumination. We create possibilities. From modern offices to industrial workshops, from stylish retail spaces to public facilities, Winway Lighting provides tailored LED solutions for every environment. Our LED ceiling light delivers uniform brightness and low glare, perfect for offices, schools, and shopping centres. Smart dimming options adapt to every moment of your day. The IP65/IP66 Tri-proof light stands strong against water, dust, and corrosion. A trusted choice for factories, parking lots, and tunnels worldwide. Sleek, minimal, and customizable, our LED linear pendant lighting elevates commercial interiors with a touch of modern design. Designed for comfort and efficiency, our panel and downlights bring clarity to classrooms and care to hospitals. Powerful illumination for outdoor and industrial use, durable, efficient, and made to perform under pressure. Across 80+ countries, Winway Lighting has illuminated countless spaces, from bustling retail centres in Southeast Asia to precision factories in Europe. Our customers trust us because our lights last, perform, and inspire. Our energy bills dropped by 30%. The light quality completely changed our workspace. We don't just sell lights, we deliver better experiences. All Winway products meet CE, CB, RoHS, FCC, and EMC standards. Behind every product is our promise of quality and service, OEM/ODM flexibility, fast delivery, and lifetime technical support. We believe light should protect the planet. That's why we keep innovating in efficiency, recyclability, and smart control systems to light a greener tomorrow. Winway Lighting, your reliable lighting partner since 2015, brightening spaces, empowering businesses, and shaping the future of light.